Hi boys and girls, here I am today. We are going to be reading this story called My Pet Cat. This story can be found in your kindergarten packet from the Buffalo Public School District, and it's just about in the middle, and it is called My Cat. The title is different because it does not have labels on the pictures, but the words are the same. We are going to be learning 2 new sight words. Now let's review the ones we already know. Let's review the ones we know already. These are the ones we've been working on super hard to remember. And when I talk about sight words, I talk about words that we just see and we know. Just like when you see your mom's face, you just know that's mom. This word is, yes, I. This word is the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the. This word is L-I-K-E, like, like. And then in this book, the word like has an S on the end. So it makes the word, instead of like, it makes the word likes, likes. And then here is another word you have learned. This word is and. We can sound this word out. And. And here are 2 new words, but the only one I really care that you consistently read and remember today is my, M-Y, my. M-Y, my. And we can make this, ready? M-Y, my shirt. Do that with me. M-Y, my shirt. M-Y, my shirt. Or sometimes we'll be like, my pants, my hair, my, M-Y, my. That is something that belongs to me. Something that belongs to you. My. And this is a word you may or may not know. T-O-2. It's a little direction word. To. We go to the store. Or to the playground. So again, what word are we learning today? My. Now, this is the title page, and this is the cover. I'm sorry, this is not the title page. This is the cover of the book. This is our title page. Our title is My Pet Cat, and that is what the book is called. My Pet Cat. This is our author, by Joe Bydlowski, illustrated by Bob Masheris. That's the man that drew or colored the pictures. Let's read our book. Here's our title page again. Our title is My Pet Cat. And there's a picture of a cat sleeping in a little bowl. I wonder what this story will be about. Think about that. Turn to the grown-up or someone in your home and say, I think this story will be about, and finish the sentence. I think the story will be about a cat. I hope we're right. Boy, cat. Here's the word I want you to help me read on every page. My. My cat likes to play. My cat likes to eat. This is the word dish because this is a dish. I want you to try to read the next page. So pause the video, touch every word as you read, and I want you to try to read the page yourself. Are you ready? My cat likes to climb. This is a bookcase and this is a plant. And that page got goofed up and I don't know why or how. It should say this, so look down here at my page. My cat likes to hide. My cat likes to hide. And I want you to read the last page yourself. Are you ready? Turn to someone in your family or read it out into the air. That's how we touch the words as we read. I'm going to read now. Ready? My cat likes to sleep. Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? Do you have a pet? If you do, what does your pet like to do? You may draw a picture of what your pet likes to do, and you may write about it if you would like to. And you can use this sentence. I have a dog, so I would say my dog likes to walk. And I notice that my sentence starts with a capital letter, and all the other letters are lowercase, and it ends with a period. You can even make up a pretend animal. My dragon likes to fly. That would be fun. I would love to see pictures and sentences if you can do that, and you can share them with me. I hope you enjoyed the book.